In some cases, you will want to generate more complex animations, other than just a simple rotate, explode, or collapse. In these cases, the animation wizard may not be the best option. One method you can use to generate more complex animations is to click and drag the components to set their placements at specific points in time. Notice here, if a component is fully defined with mates, or fixed, I will not be able to click and drag to give motion. However, if I have some degree of freedom in my assembly, I will be able to click and drag to simulate the motions of those components and assemblies. In this case, I'm going to create a simple animation of my drivetrain assembly. First, I need to define what I want to animate, or what my driving component will be. In this case, I will use the crankshaft as the driving component. The key to generating click and drag animations is setting key points at specific times. For example, I will pause for the first 2 seconds of my animation. To do this, I'll right-click the timeline at 2 seconds in line with my crankshaft component, and select Place Key. This places my first movement key at 2 seconds, in the same location as my 0 start time. Now, I'll move the time bar to 4 seconds, and ensure Auto Key is pressed. When Auto Key is turned on, key points will automatically be generated with any change you make. Now, at 4 seconds, I'll click and drag the crankshaft about 180 degrees. I'll then move the time bar to 6 seconds and rotate another 180 degrees. Now I'll pause once more from 6 to 8 seconds by placing a key for the crankshaft at 8 seconds. Finally, I'll move the time bar to 10 seconds and rotate another 180 degrees in the opposite direction. The full animation will now pause from 0 to 2 seconds, rotate 180 degrees from 2 to 4 seconds, rotate another 180 degrees from 4 to 6, pause for another 2 seconds from 6 to 8, and reverse rotation 180 degrees from 8 to 10 seconds.